We're lucky enough to get our hands on this MacBook Neo on launch day here in Melbourne, so we're going to do a speed run disassembly and see what's changed inside. Alright, once that one's off, got two clips to unclip here, and that's the bottom cover off. From here, the first thing we want to do is disconnect that battery. We want to make sure that we are not going to be damaging anything while we're doing these repairs. Alright, battery safely unclipped. From here, we've got a few things that is stopping us from getting through the rest of the laptop. First of all, we're going to remove all these little covers. With those ones off, we can start disconnecting the camera cable on this side and the screen cable on this side. From here, we have the Trackpad Flex, got the microphone assembly and the keyboard connector. On this side we've got the headphone jack and the speakers, and on this side we've got the speakers. Alright, now the motherboard's free. Got one last one to disconnect here. Now, lastly, Wi-Fi. With that all out of the way, we can unscrew all the little screws here on the motherboard. There are 5 in total, and they are all T3 screws. And with that, the motherboard is free. Tiny motherboard, really very different to any of the other MacBooks. With that one out, next step we can do is the antenna assembly. Moving up to T5 screws here. That one's all done and out of the way. This reveals the battery, trackpad, and the speakers. Let's do the speakers. Four screws for the speakers. Bit of cable routing. Speakers out. No sticky tabs, which is great to see. And with that, second speaker has been removed. From here we've got our audio jack. Great, nice and modular, very nice work from Apple on that one. That leaves us with the screen assembly, battery and the trackpad. We're going to do the screen assembly here first. I'm doing 2 screws and then repositioning the laptop over the edge of a desk. And that lets us get that display assembly out. Beautiful. Now, what shall we tackle next? We can't do the trackpad because the cable goes underneath there, so we're going to have to do the battery. Now we've got 18 screws here on the battery. Beautiful. With those 18 screws out, the battery simply lifts on out. No sticky adhesive, anything like that. Fantastic. That leaves us with the trackpad and the ports. 4 more screws on the ports here. Once again, great to see modular design, and we've not encountered a single bit of tape. Now, here we do have a little bit of adhesive on the trackpad, but that's not the end of the world. Lastly, to get this trackpad out, we'll remove the trackpad chassis. These are all T8 screws. This lets us get the chassis out, and this is also how the button gets pressed. And then to remove the actual trackpad, we've just got 3 more screws here. Fantastic, trackpad out. That leaves us with a fully disassembled laptop. We've done this in less than 10 minutes, which is absolutely amazing for an Apple laptop. I can't say we've ever had a Mac that looks as repairable and as modular as this one. No sticky tape, no tricky adhesives, modular parts, minimal parts as well, no hinge covers or anything like that. It's just super straightforward, elegant design. Apple have kept the costs down, they've got some simplicity up, and that's just meant a really repairable, very easy to open laptop. So we look forward to working on these devices in the future.